Want to do some cooking with me? Today we're going to learn about pizza. It all began in Naples, Italy, over 130 years ago, when a baker named Raphael Esposito made a pizza for Queen Margherita of Savoy. He used very simple ingredients: tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and basil. He made it look like an Italian flag: red, white, and green. That's how the Margherita pizza was born. Should we make one of our own? Awesome! Let's do it! First, we'll need to prep our ingredients. I like to lay everything out so I can see exactly what I'm going to use. When it comes to pizza, I like to use the kiss method. No, not that kind of kiss. It means keep it simple, silly. We start with flour and spread it out on our board so the dough won't stick. Then we grab our dough and pat it all down. Pizza dough is made from a few simple ingredients: flour, water, yeast, salt, and sometimes a small amount of sugar or olive oil. Now we take our rolling pin and roll the dough so it's nice and flat. Pour on some tomato sauce. I'll use a wooden spoon to spread it out. I like a lot of sauce, but you can put on as much as you want. Then comes the mozzarella. This is the perfect cheese for pizza because it's extra stretchy when it melts. I like to add some spices to the mix for flavor. I start with a little garlic, then I add a little parsley, and I top it off with some Parmesan cheese. You can never have enough cheese. I use a pizza board to transfer my pizza into the oven because it's really hot in there, and I don't want to get burned. Now that our pizza is cooking, we set a timer so we know when it's done. I like to clean up while I wait. Oh, you hear that? Our pizza's done. I use my pizza board to take it out of the oven and let it cool. Ah, that smells good. Let's mangia. That's how you say eat in Italy. If my pizza is really hot and hard to hold, I like to start out using a fork and a knife, and maybe a spoon to scoop up some of the extra sauce. When I'm done, I like to finish it off with a nice juicy apple. Our pizza is done. Let's get all our gear packed up. Joke time while the clean time. If pizza could talk, what would it say? Probably lots of cheesy things. Okay, it's time for the show. Let's watch together. Okay, see you next time for another Benny's Mini World Tiny Pizza Project. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.